Updated overview of Ring's video doorbell lineup. Video wired doorbell. Great value. Slim design. 1080p video. Motion alerts, Alexa, and pre-roll. No quick replies or chime support. Installs in 15 minutes. Ring Video Doorbell Plus, formerly Video Doorbell 4. The Ring Video Doorbell Plus, previously known as the Ring Video Doorbell 4, offers improved features over its predecessor. The key upgrade is the color pre-roll video feature, which captures 4 seconds of footage before a motion event is detected, giving users a more comprehensive view of what triggered the alert. The Video Doorbell Plus has 1080p HD video, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a removable battery pack for easy charging. Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 offers 1536p video, better audio, advanced motion detection, bird's eye view, and head-to-toe video with a wide 150-degree field of view. Ring Video Doorbell Plus, wired. The Ring Video Doorbell Plus wired has HD video, 160-degree view, night vision, motion alerts, two-way talk, Alexa greetings, and privacy controls. Video Doorbell Elite. The Ring Doorbell Elite is the only model with Ethernet, ideal for large homes, and features 1080p video, 160 degrees by 90 degrees view, and premium finishes, costing $100 more than the next model.
Go to GearBrain for more information.